Alright guys, if you ever thought you have already seen all type of ceiling fans, then probably I have to disappoint you, because this thing has so special, so unique features which probably most of the people have never seen before. So if you're looking for a very special ceiling fan for your very special needs, then this could be an awesome thing for you. And so I'm going to take it out of the box, show you what you get, what the functions are, how to install, and then how you can use that. And so that's the inside of the box, and you can see it's everything really nicely protected, so you don't have to be worried that anything gets damaged during shipping. And so here we have it, but of course that's not how it looks at the end, because it's much more beautiful. This is just a temporary protection during the installation. Very good idea. So what I'm doing here is not what I recommend to do, but I want to give you a little bit of a quick peek here. So you can see we have this really nice outside here, absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to protect it again, so have it covered during the installation. What we can see, of course, it's a rather small ceiling fan, which makes it fit in really a lot of different places. So you don't have to be worried that it's oversized, fits even in smaller rooms. A couple of features which I think are very unique and absolutely awesome, perfect for me and for other needs. And one of them is the built-in light. The light can be dimmed in a really wide range. We can also adjust the color temperature from very warm, like in the morning, to a rather cold white, like daylight. And we have even an automatic oscillation function. Have you ever seen that on a ceiling fan? Automatic oscillation, that's what a lot of people are missing. Usually you have oscillation just in stand fans, but they have also other disadvantages, and usually ceiling fans don't have oscillation. So here we have both in one. And so here's the mount on top. So you can see we have this separate mount which you can attach first, and then attach the ceiling fan to the mount. That's of course how we want it. It has a little bit of weight, but it's definitely not too heavy compared to other ceiling fans, rather lightweight. And what I also like here is this protection. Could also be a great option for children's rooms. I'm always a little bit worried about these large rotor blades of large ceiling fans. They definitely pose quite some risk with the high speed. And here we have this really nice protection. I love this. And of course the set comes with the mounting material. We get a full instructions manual. And then also another highlight, that's the remote control, really full function remote control, even supporting the oscillation, and huge advantage compared to other remote controls. You can even operate this through walls, so it's not just a normal standard infrared remote control where you have to be in the same room as the ceiling fan. Here you can operate this one here from anywhere in your home. Of course, these days in shipping we don't have any batteries, so you have to bring 2 AAA batteries. Small detail, but it was not in the instructions, so I wanted to show you that we have to cut this cable binder here, so we can remove this mount and attach it first. Here we can also see how nicely we can adjust this cover here. We have this screw which we can use to secure it, so we can cover the whole mount from the side. And then maybe second very important thing regarding the installation, we have to rotate this counterclockwise, and then we can remove this. Everything else is not too difficult, but that's very important to know. By the way, you can see also the center hole where we can feed the wire through. Endings are already nicely pre-cut. And you can see I'm not installing this in my bedroom, I'm installing this in my shed. Almost a little bit a shame, such a beautiful ceiling fan in a shed, but I figured it would be the perfect solution also here. And so I've attached already this one here to the blue box. Second screw goes here, of course depending on what you have on the ceiling. And in the next step we are attaching this plastic mount to the metal mount using these 3 smaller screws. And after we have connected the wires, it's very easy to attach the ceiling fan. We just lift it up and then align it with the mount, push it up, and then rotate it clockwise. At the very end, there's a little bit of a resistance. You have to turn a little bit more, then you will feel that it snaps in, and only then it has full hold. Yeah, now I have it fully installed on the ceiling, has a really good hold, and you can see how beautiful this is. This is absolutely amazing. I think I've never seen such a beautiful fan, especially not such a beautiful light which comes with the fan. You can see we can change pretty much everything from the brightness, can dim it a lot down. If you need it even lower, we can use the night light function. So that's the night light, just a very little bit of light. Turned on the light again, then we have it full. Here on the right side we can switch between the different color temperatures. So you can see we have very warm light, here pretty cold, and here something in between. But we can adjust it also step by step. These are just the 3 presets, so you can change it a lot, almost seamless, from very, very warm light to absolutely cold light. As you can see, on the left side we have favorites, on the right side we have the timer, and down here we have the control for the fan. So we can start it, for example, here on 1. You can see how it's moving. We can move it to the side or straight down. I press again, goes to the left side, and not only to the left side, but we can also rotate it. When I press here, you can see it starts cycling 360 degrees all the way around. So it's not just oscillating left, right, it's really rotating 360 degrees around. I have absolutely no clue how they did that. Almost a miracle how to implement such a thing, but they really did it. We have also timer function. We can reverse the speed, like for winter and summer. We can relink it if we lost the signal. We have also natural breeze function, so it goes into very strong and then slower. And here we can see how strong this is. This is pretty strong. Of course, it's a rather small fan. It's not a full-size fan, but we can make it really strong. But we can choose from any of these 8 speeds anyway. And by the way, when I have it on the 1, it's super quiet. I'm pretty close, and it's almost impossible for me to hear that. I could definitely sleep, so also very good solution for a bedroom. Yeah, definitely a really nice fan, but of course there's no way that it moves the same amount of air as a normal full-size fan. But I would say for a smaller room, children's room or so, this could be absolutely perfect, or for an office where you just want to have a really beautiful light and the option to have a little bit of extra air. I really like it. Also, how easy it is to install, much easier than normal fan. So that could be also an option if you are struggling in a situation, if you have a mount on a ceiling which cannot bear the full weight of a full-size ceiling fan. This could be also a great option, or just enjoy the really awesome light possibilities and have the extra fan option. So if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.